Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play good songs on trumpet. Start by focusing on your embouchure, the way your lips and mouth form around the mouthpiece. A firm, consistent embouchure is the foundation for a beautiful sound. Dedicate at least 10 minutes each day to long tones, sustaining notes for several counts to build breath support. Mastering your scales and arpeggios across all 12 keys will give you the musical vocabulary needed to play any song. To truly play good songs, you must develop your musicality. Listen intently to recordings of great trumpet players, analyzing their tone and interpretation. Practice varying your dynamics, from soft pianissimo to loud fortissimo, and explore different articulations like legato and staccato. Always consider the emotional message of the piece. This will guide your expressive choices and connect you with your audience. Effective practice is key to progress. When faced with a difficult section, isolate it and practice slowly, gradually increasing the tempo. Always use a metronome to develop a steady rhythm and a tuner to ensure perfect pitch. Select pieces that are both enjoyable and slightly challenging, allowing you to grow without becoming overwhelmed. A balanced repertoire will keep your practice engaging and productive. Performing well involves both preparation and a positive mindset. Practice your pieces until they feel second nature, building confidence for any performance situation. Before you play, take a few deep breaths to calm your nerves and relax your body. Remember, every musician makes mistakes. View them as valuable learning experiences that help you improve. Enjoy the process of sharing your music with others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.